KPIT Q3 FY26 results, profit miss shock street, stock crack 6% margin recovery at risk. KPIT Technologies delivered a mixed set of results for Q3 FY26, where revenue growth remained resilient but profitability disappointed both the street and investors, leading to a sharp correction in the stock price. The market reaction clearly indicates that expectations from KPIT were high, especially given its premium valuation within the mid-cap and automotive software space. Starting with the top line, KPIT reported consolidated revenue of 1,617.46 crore rupees for the quarter ended December 31, 2025, marking a year-on-year growth of nearly 8%. This growth was driven primarily by sustained demand from the off-highway and powertrain segments, where global OEMs continue to invest in electrification, software-defined vehicles, and regulatory-driven technology upgrades. Importantly, revenue came in slightly ahead of analyst expectations, indicating that client demand and deal execution remain intact despite global macro uncertainty. However, the real concern for investors emerged on the profitability front. KPIT's consolidated net profit declined sharply to 169.09 crore rupees from 203.75 crore rupees in the same quarter last year, representing a year-on-year decline of over 17%. This was significantly below analyst estimates, with profit missing consensus expectations by nearly 19%. Such a large deviation is rarely ignored by the market, especially for a stock trading at a premium multiple. Operating performance further explains the disappointment. The operating margin contracted to 19.16% compared to 21.07% last year, reflecting an 190 basis point decline. Management attributed this margin pressure to higher employee expenses and the integration costs related to the acquisition of Caresoft Engineering. While these factors are largely known and partly one-off in nature, the street was clearly expecting KPIT to manage these costs better or offset them through pricing and efficiency gains. The Caresoft integration, in particular, remains a key variable for investors. While strategically important for KPIT's transition towards AI-led and platform-based engineering solutions, the acquisition is currently acting as a margin drag. Investors will closely monitor whether synergies begin to flow in FY27 or if integration challenges persist longer than anticipated. From a cash return perspective, the board declared an interim dividend of ₹2.25 per equity share, with a record date of February 4, 2026. While the dividend provides some comfort, it does little to offset concerns around earnings visibility and margin sustainability in the near term. Strategically, KPIT also announced leadership changes during the quarter, with Mr. Anup Sable appointed as Chief Operating Officer and Mr. Parag Shah joining the board as an independent director. These changes signal an increased focus on execution discipline and governance as the company scales its global operations. One of the key positives from the quarter was the strong deal momentum. KPIT closed new engagements worth $202 million during Q3 FY26, including large wins from leading European and American automotive manufacturers. This reinforces the long-term growth narrative and validates KPIT's positioning in the automotive software and mobility ecosystem. However, investors must separate long-term opportunity from short-term execution risk. While the deal pipeline remains strong, converting these wins into profitable revenue while restoring margins to the guided 21% range will be critical. Management has guided for a stronger recovery in Q4 FY26, but the credibility of this guidance will depend on visible improvement in utilization, cost control, and integration progress. The market's verdict was swift. KPIT's stock fell over 6% to close at 1,037 rupees and 45 paise, reflecting disappointment over the profit miss and concerns about valuation sustainability. At current levels, the stock continues to trade at a premium compared to peers, which means execution missteps are punished more severely. In conclusion, KPIT's Q3 FY26 results highlight a clear divergence between revenue momentum and profitability. While demand remains strong and the strategic direction towards AI-led automotive software is intact, near-term margin pressure and earnings volatility have emerged as key risks. For investors, the next quarter becomes crucial in assessing whether KPIT can deliver on its margin recovery promise or whether the premium valuation needs further correction. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.